What is up, you guys? It is Maddie D here to show you how easy it is to shop our app and a couple tips and tricks. It's definitely the easiest shopping experience that we offer, so I want to tell you guys all about it. And it's everyone's favorite way to shop anyways. So scrolling right here, you can see our new arrival feed. So many goodies. Up at the top, we have a bunch of different collections like restocks, frequently asked questions. If you only want to shop shirts or anything like that, you can click on any of those collections. So I think I'm just gonna snag me this super cute little tie-dye tee. I love my stuff oversized, but large is sold out, so I guess I'll just snag a medium, and then I'll go back to see what else I want to snag. I'll talk about the checkout screen in just a second. So this little after hours jumpsuit is so cute. Definitely have to have that in a small as well. And then I'm gonna go back and I am going to show you guys how you guys can filter. There's a little filter button up here. You can turn on show in stock items only. If you just turn that on, it will show any item that's in stock in any size, but you can select a specific size. So since I typically wear a small, I am going to select a size small, and then you go back, your feed will change and you can shop just like that, and you can have those filters on and choose a collection as well. So I have on my in stock in a size small filter, and I'm going to go to the restocks page, or I want to go to the shirt page or anything like that. So I'm going to go to the checkout now. There's a lot of little situations going on here. You can see your payment method, which you can edit. I did that backwards, but you can do your payment method, which you do have the ability to edit. Sezzle will show up as a payment option if you have more than $50 in your cart. We have a $50 minimum for Sezzle, and then you can also see your shipping method, which you can also change. Obviously, my address is not 123 Divas Road, but it is what it is. And then you can see what's in your cart. You can see how much time you have left to pay, and then you can also see how much time you have left to get free shipping. So items stay in your cart for 2 hours, and you have an entire hour to get free shipping, and then after that it's a $3 flat rate, cheapest shipping ever, I know. And then you can see your subtotal, tax, all that kind of stuff. It'll say checkout. I do currently have credit available. It will default the credit in your cart, but I took it out like just for the sake of this video, but you can add it back if you want to, and then you just click checkout and you are good to go. If you have like a payment error, it will tell you right there. If there's a shipping error, you'll get a customer service email probably like the next day, I would say. But so stinking easy. And I'm gonna do another, sorry about that noise, little video like this for a wait list and anything else like that. I don't know. Tell me if you guys like these things.